Sir, I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Rena. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, I'll be in touch soon.
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness. But that guy, he's got something broke inside.
Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nefor 2.
I've run a few tests on the terrazine gas like you asked. It's clearly related to Vespene gas, but there are some very exotic organics added into the mix.
Any guesses what it's used for?
Well, it would definitely affect brain chemistry, so it could be used as some kind of drug or stimulant, I suppose.
Drugs, huh? That's just wonderful. What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these specters, it's clear Minsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
My people established a new colony on Haven. It was going well, but now the colony's gone dark. They're not responding on any frequency. We need to get there and see what the situation is. They might have been exposed to the Zerg virus, and they are on the verge of Protoss space. Jim, I'm worried that something has gone very wrong.
We're almost to Haven, but there's still been no contact from... Sir, there's a Protoss fleet holding in orbit. They're disrupting all communications to the surface, and it looks like they're powering up their main weapons.
Jim, you have to stop this.
Matt, open a channel to the Protoss. Let's see how diplomatic they're feeling.
Intaro Tassadar, James Raynor. I am Executor Celendis. Your bravery and service to Ire are known to us.
Intaro Tassadar, Celendis. Listen, with all due respect, your fleet needs to pull back. The people on Haven are no threat to you.
Our observers detected Zerg hive spores infesting the colonists. must be purified. If you wish to undertake this mission in our stead, we will permit it.
Jim, some of my people are infested. But you can't let the Protoss just destroy them all. If you keep the Protoss at bay, I know I can find a cure for the infestation.
The only cure for Zerg infestation is purification by fire. You know this to be true, James Raynor.
I can cure them, Jim. Believe me.
If you choose to resist us, we will meet in glorious combat. The choice is yours, James Raynor. We await your answer.
I'm so sorry, Ariel. But the Executor's right. Believe me, they wouldn't have come all the way here if their data wasn't conclusive. Call off your fleet, Selendis. This is a Terran thing. I'll handle it myself.
What? This isn't right. I thought you were a better man than this, Jim.
Ariel, if there was a cure, you would have found it by now. The only thing we can do is put an end to this once and for all.
I won't accept that. Every one of my people can be saved. I'm close to finding the cure, I know it.
Honor to you, James Raynor. You were ever a true friend of the Protoss. Although this work is painful for you, many more lives will be saved by your actions this day.
We've all laid it on the line for these folks more than once. But there's only one way we can help them now. We've got to save the ones we can, and kill the rest. I know it's terrible, but if we wipe out these infested settlements, we'll save the whole damn planet from being overrun.
Ain't nothing a little fire won't cure. A lot of ground to cover, though. We ain't got enough troops to be everywhere at once.
Don't worry about it. Swan's already got that covered.
Yeah, I got you covered. Had to call in a few favors to get the schematics for these babies. You owe me big time, cowboy. Don't forget, these bad boys can switch between air and ground mode anytime you need them to.
Those Vikings will make all the difference. But it looks like some of the infested colonists are turning already.
And those structures are infesting more of them.
Let's just get this done.
Infestation source detected.
Sir, that virophage structure is spreading the Zerg virus to the colonists. We've got to destroy all the virophages. The more of them there are, the more infested we'll have to fight. Sir, I'm detecting some large Zerg flyers. They match the reported profiles for broodlords. Be careful. They're lethal against ground targets.
Then we'll hit them from the air. Where are my Vikings at?
Big job, huh? What's going on?
Stay sharp. I want anyone that leaves the ship wearing a suit. Last thing I need is more people getting infested.
They infest Marines too, brother.
My orders still stand. Shouldn't be a problem for you though, Tychus.
You ready for war? No one lives forever. SCV ready. Armed and ready. SCV ready. Made for battle. Big job, huh? Yeah. SCV.
Add-on complete.
All right. Search man. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. Big job, huh? Can't hold them alone. Transformation system. SCV ready. Red, can't hold them alone. Fighter flight. Yeah, right. Let's made for battle. Let's get SCV ready. You ready for war? Transformation systems prime. SCV ready. I can't build here. You ready for war?
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Can't hold them alone. Made for battle. SCV ready. You ready for war?
Base is under attack.
That settlement has been cleared of Zerg biosignatures. Well done, sir.
SCV ready. Well, butter my biscuit. Transformation systems primed. SCV ready. What's going on? Sure thing. Ready to plunder. Go ahead. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Big job, huh? You're the boss. Bad news? Ready to plunder. Fight or flight? In the rear with the gear. You ready for war? Agreed. I like it. Bold. Victory. Yes, indeed. Ready to plunder. Very well. Transformation systems primed. Certainly. Big job, huh? Well, butter my biscuit.
Not enough minerals.
Transformation. Let's get into the fight. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. SCV ready. Go ahead.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Ready to plunder. In the rear with the gear.
Base is under attack.
SCV ready. Huh? Will do. Bad news. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Big job, huh? Gotcha.
The infested are heading to a settlement in the south.
Transformation systems primed. Certainly. Made for SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. Inbound. Big job, huh? Go ahead. Yep. Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder. Made for battle.
We'd all be dead without you.
Yeah, right.
Sir, Stedman says Dr. Hansen has locked herself in the lab. Alone. She's desperate to save her people. I'm worried about what she might do.
Let's get into the fight. Go ahead. I can't build here. SCV ready. We hear you. SCV ready. You ready for war? Ready to plunder. Will do. SCV ready. Made for battle. Huh? Yep. SCV ready. Let's get into the fight. I like it. SCV ready. SCV ready. All right. Ready to plunder.
Base is under attack.
Can't hold them alone. Let's get into the fight. Bad news? Sure thing. Can't hold them alone.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Can't hold them alone. Fighter's right. Get ready for war. Made for battle. All right. Yes, indeed. them alone. Ready to plunder. Transformation system prime. Very well. Fighter right. Yeah, right. No one lives forever.
Good job, sir. I'm picking up 2 more concentrations of Zerg biosignatures.
No one lives forever. All ready to plunder. Let's get into the...
Sir, another settlement is being infested by the Zerg.
Transformation systems primed. Certainly. Bad news. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Go ahead. Can't hold them alone. Let's get into the fight. SCV ready.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Victory. SCV ready.
We'd all be dead without you.
What's going on? Bad news? I can't build here. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Can't hold them alone. Ready to plunder. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Transformation systems primed. Go ahead. Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder. Huh? Ready to plunder. Go ahead. Yes, sir. SCV ready. What's going on? Fighter flight. SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
SCV ready. You ready for war?
Upgrade complete.
Ready to plunder. Certainly. SCV ready. Gotcha. Go ahead. What's going on? Fighter flight. Yeah, right. Big job, huh? You ready for war? No one lives forever. Yes, indeed. Victory. Inbound. Ready to blow.
Another settlement is coming under attack.
Can't hold them alone. Fight or flight. Made for battle. Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder. Agreed.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Fight or flight. Yeah, right. Inbound. Ready for battle. Yes, indeed. All right. Certainly. Transformation systems prime.
Good job, guys. This area is secure.
Let's get into the fight. Agreed. No one lives. Ready to plunder.
Completed.
Ready to plunder.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Transformation systems prime. Ready for war? Certainly. No one lives forever. Inbound. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Ready to plunder. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
That was too close. Thanks.
Let's get into the fight. You ready? Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Made for battle. Inbound.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Mineral field depleted.
Victory. What's going on? Roger. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. No one goes forever. Yes, victory.
Mineral field depleted.
Ready to plunder. Transformation systems prime. Ready to plunder.
Mineral field depleted.
Yes, indeed. I like it. Inbound. All right. Very well.
Sir, it's done. I'm not detecting any more Zerg, but we have a problem in the lab.
Seal all access points. You too.
Will you enjoy it? Will you enjoy killing me? Like you killed my children?
You're infested. You're dead already.